Arc Raiders is a competitive multiplayer game that can experience lag and stuttering, which significantly impact gameplay. Lag refers to input delays, while stuttering involves frame drops during play. Lag is typically caused by network issues, leading to input delays. Stuttering often results from CPU or GPU overload, causing irregular frame playback. As of late 2025, updates such as version 2.4.1 have improved performance with server-side optimizations, reducing latency by 20% and stuttering by 30 to 40%. Still, problems can occur on outdated systems or unstable connections. To minimize stuttering, maintain a frame rate between 60 and 144 FPS. This prevents issues from VSync mismatches or competing background applications. For lag reduction, switch to a wired internet connection to achieve ping times under 50 milliseconds. Use network monitoring tools to track performance. Check that your hardware meets the game's requirements. Prevent CPU and GPU overheating, as thermal throttling can cause stuttering. A minimum of an RTX 3060 equivalent is recommended for optimal performance. Adjust in-game graphics settings to reduce load. Set resolution to 1080p or 1440p. Use FXAA or TAA for anti-aliasing, medium shadows, high textures, and low effects with bloom and motion blur disabled. For further optimization, disable VSync and limit FPS to your monitor's refresh rate. In NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD equivalents, set power management to maximum performance. Close unnecessary applications and keep drivers updated. For further optimization in Arc Raiders, monitor your system using specialized tools. Use MSI Afterburner to monitor temperatures and GPU performance. This helps identify overheating that could cause stuttering. For network issues, use Ping Plotter to track latency and packet loss over time. If you have a high-end PC but still experience stuttering, enable NVIDIA's ultra-low latency mode and cap your FPS. On mobile devices, enabling battery saver mode can improve performance by limiting background processes. In 2025, AI-assisted optimization is emerging with adaptive scaling that automatically reduces lag during intense scenes. Cloud gaming provides a solution for users with less powerful hardware, offloading processing to remote servers. Looking ahead, ray tracing support will become more optimized with technologies like DLSS 4.0, eliminating stuttering on mid-tier GPUs. Hardware acceleration makes ray-traced effects possible with lower performance costs. The industry is moving towards 120 FPS as a standard, with next-gen consoles enhancing performance. However, increasing server loads from mobile expansions could challenge network stability. Keep an eye out for official patches, as they can significantly alter optimal settings.